Hey everybody, Mrs. Bianchi. Rhiannon is making punch for a picnic. She wants to make enough for each person to have at least 1.5 cups of punch. There are 8 people coming to the picnic. Solve and choose the inequality for the number of cups of punch that Rhiannon can make for the picnic. All right, so if we need at least 1.5 cups per person, remember we have 8 people. Step one to this is to multiply 1.5 times 8. So let's turn this into an improper fraction. Something halves. 2 times 1 is 2, plus the 1 is 3 halves times 8. We can write 8 over 1. Let's take advantage of the fact that 2 is a factor of this number and this number. Divide by 2 and get 1. Divide by 2 and get 4. All right, so multiply 3 times 4, and you're going to come up with some number. And if we divide that by 1, it'll be the same number. Now, here's where it gets a little bit tricky. Because whatever number you have, right? So hopefully it's this number. They're talking about at least that amount. So at least that amount. Ask yourself, would 11 cups be okay? Probably not, right? Would 12.5 cups be okay? Yes. Would 12 cups be okay? Yes. Would 13 cups be okay? Yes. So what might not be a bad idea is to think about hypothetical values that I just gave that we said a yes to, substitute those in where the C is, and see which one makes it true. Now, a quick review of the symbols. This is the less than symbol. This means less than or equal to. This is the greater than symbol, and this is the greater than or equal to symbol. Now, once you've determined which of these it is, then you have to pick which graph matches the situation, and you want to think about which hypothetical answers would fall on the red line, because that's what the red line is expressing. It's expressing values that would make the inequality true. Now, be careful because we have 2 with the open circle, 2 with the closed circle. Make sure you understand the difference between an open and enclosed circle. You are allowed to use your notes for this quiz.